Check out tomorrow morning's forecast, as it will be fairly clear. In fact, a good deal of sunshine as we head throughout the morning hours. Temperatures starting out in those 70s, rising up to the mid 80s by 10 o'clock and already looking at 90 degrees by noon. And you probably know what that means. We're in for a hot afternoon, and we will be staying shy of 90 degrees or 100 degrees, but it's going to probably feel like 100 at times for especially our eastern counties. Now, as far as this evening goes, yes, there's a little bit of some brief shower and thunderstorm activity that is winding down. I don't expect much of this to continue into tonight. It should be fairly clear tonight. And then, like I said, starting out more on a sunny note for tomorrow morning. And then comes the afternoon hours for Saturday, which could feature a very brief shower or thunderstorm down in the Brazos Valley, or maybe as far north as Interstate 14. That's about where that would end up. North of there, you're definitely just looking at a partly cloudy and hot day for Saturday. Now, as far as Sunday goes, this one shouldn't have any rain with it. Yes, we're going to have some of those clouds bubbling up, but this time none of those are going to be able to grow into those summer-like showers and thunderstorms. So keeping it dry and hot as we go through Sunday. Just how hot? Well, let's get the heat index for you. We've got numbers approaching 100 to 101 along and east of I-35 for tomorrow. That's how it's going to feel. And then the heat index should also be looking like that, maybe around that 100 mark going into Sunday afternoon. Thankfully, the dew points aren't going to be crazy high, because if we did have some really high humidity, we'd probably be talking about heat advisories again. Low temperatures tonight falling down to around 71 degrees. And then as we head into tomorrow, we're looking at 96 for many places, but the hottest points on this map could be Corsicana and Waco coming in at 97 degrees. And then we've got 98 to 99 coming through for Sunday and Monday. But it does look like some scattered showers and storms will help us out Tuesday and Wednesday, which could in fact knock us down to 88 for Wednesday. But Friday might be just clear enough to allow us to briefly warm up again. And the Brazos Valley does appear that we're going to have some of those clearing skies over the next few days. But once we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, yes, some showers and thunderstorms on their way back, which is going to help cool us down, maybe keep us in the lower 90s for a little while.